To correct the intermetatarsal angle for hallux valgus using the 1.1 mm mini TightRope, the surgeon will first make an incision over the first interspace. Dissection is continued down to the lateral sesamoid where the intermetatarsal ligament and adductor tendon are released. At this time, the surgeon makes a medial incision exposing the first metatarsal and then makes a capsulotomy to expose the medial eminence of the first metatarsal head. Using a sagittal saw, the surgeon will then resect the medial eminence of the head of the first metatarsal. The intermetatarsal angle is now manually reduced and held throughout the procedure until fixation of the mini TightRope is secured. The 1.1 mm mini TightRope guide wire is then driven from the second metatarsal through the first metatarsal until the step-off exits the first metatarsal. The closed end of a 2/0 fiber wire suture is then pulled through the second and first metatarsals. The mini TightRope is then pulled through the first and second metatarsals until the button is flush with the first metatarsal. The swedged portion of the mini TightRope construct is then cut, and both limbs of the suture are passed through the distal hole of the mini TightRope buttress, and then each strand is threaded through a free mini TightRope button. Square knots are then applied to secure the button onto the buttress plate. The intermetatarsal reduction clamp can be removed at this point. The sutures are cut with a small tail. The exact same procedure is performed to place a mini TightRope construct through the proximal hole. The final construct shows a perfectly reduced first and second intermetatarsal angle without having to make an osteotomy for the correction of hallux valgus deformity.